parking one. You want to go, you go at 10 o'clock in the morning.
I waste the parking money before in 1U.
Yeah.
I enter, cannot find parking, I go out directly.
Yeah, correct.
I don't want to go.
Yeah.
Then I rather go IOI City Mall.
Oh, I haven't tried that.
IOI City Mall very far one.
Where is it?
Near to close to airport.
So far away. I only go Monday to Friday. Saturday, Sunday don't go. Cannot.
Go by Grab lah.
No parking. Yeah, Grab maybe can lah.
Go by Grab lor. You stay so nearby, 5 ringgit only mah.
But for me it's so near, sometimes they don't want to come also. Right or not? Where my place is now, you pick us up to 1U, sometimes they don't want to come also.
Very easy job only.
But it's very easy to make the 5 ringgit, right?
See what kind of driver they are.
Yeah lor.
See what kind of driver they are.
And then there's also the 1U bus also, they will pass by one.
Or 1U bus.
Not the bus, one-card bus. But you got to wait for them lah.
For me, 5 ringgit I'll take that, but see from what location I'm going to.
See where you are lah. If you're nearby, then okay lah.
If I'm at uptown.
Yeah, some people do that. So in between when you're waiting for customers, you must go and park somewhere, or you just drive around?
Drive around.
Wow, then petrol
Asia.
Okay, Asia okay
no
lah.
feeling one.
Business car is quite good. Asia good. Asia is after the after the lecture.
Any car also cannot park one side and wait booking one lah. Very difficult one. Because if you park one side and wait for booking, which means your coverage is only this area.
Yes.
I want to expand.
You have to move about,
that's why I have no choice also. I have to drive around. Last time when the Grab pay driver money, I always stop at a place that cannot get booking.
Then you can relax.
Because after one booking I already confirm getting like 30-40 per hour ma. So I don't need to go here, go there.
And also you drive
No lah, I finish at 8 o'clock.
Safer lah. I see all the stories it's very scary. But at night sometimes they can make better money.
Night time Night time.
Higher charges what?
No.
The people you pick up.
No lah, higher charges, but actually less people. Daytime compared to night time, of course daytime more people than night time.
But then the drivers, Grab drivers available also less competition I think
Maybe like daytime maybe 60%, nighttime 40%. Sure got driver one night time.
Sure got driver one, night time also sure got driver one.
But the driver that drive at midnight and night time a bit different compared to the daytime driver lah.
How different?
Of course you think like normal people got normal people, of course normal life why they want to choose the nightlife?
Sure got that's when they can get better money.
Impossible lah. Because money now and last time different. Last time is based on booking Now it's based on the more trip you get, the more trip you complete, the more money you get Night time is like less people, confirm less people one.
But charges higher I think.
No.
Same
Same. No, cheaper.
Really?
No double charge one No midnight charge, no double charge one No traffic jam also don't have. Why expensive Nothing one And then nighttime driver all they speed like mad They go very fast.
So now you drive full time do you have passengers like regular call you already?
I
you cannot.
I
You
don't
still
want.
have to go by the app.
No lah, I don't want to get.
You don't want to make it regular.
Small amount of money purposely go and fetch man. Yeah lah.
No. Want to go to the airport. Let's say I want to go to the airport. I got your number already. I call you, then you take me to the airport.
I don't even take booking to airport. Still want to go airport.
You don't go so far lah.
It's time more.
Is it?
Yeah, airport how much only? 65
No. 75 is.
They want include toll If okay lah, if I take if me lah personal I take airport booking I charge different because I calculate overall because after I go to airport I need to drive back down.
Yes, correct.
So I need to calculate that part also.
But
So
you drive back maybe you can find another passenger. No, cannot.
Cannot.